The human body is an amazing thing. There's no shortage of what it can do when you put your mind to it. Believe it or not, you have special powers. It's only a matter of tapping into them. One of these special powers is unlocked after completing various tasks over and over. When you repeat the same mental or physical activity, your body learns how to complete these tasks with less brain power. This is called muscle memory. In other words, practice, practice, practice. It's the best way to improve muscle memory. For example, when you play a video game for the first time, you may not be very good at it. But as you keep playing it, your muscles fine-tune themselves. Next thing you know, the game becomes effortless.
New high score!
Typing is another example of muscle memory in action. As you practice, your muscle memory powers will kick in, and your typing will start to feel automatic. You won't have to think about which key to press next because your fingers will know where to go. This lets you focus on the task at hand. So get practicing. Your new special power awaits.